Begum, you ask a question, I want to reply. No, your microphone will be off because you have a problem. You have a problem. You have a problem. She told, Jesus said, I and my Father are one in Gospel of Matthew. She is lying. Jesus said in the Gospel of John, chapter number 10, verse number 30, I and my Father are one. She doesn't know a Bible. She claims to be a Christian. She is quoting a verse of the Bible and she's saying it's in Gospel of Matthew. She's trying to pull a fast one. She's trying to pull a fast one. Let me reply. What is the context? What is the context of Gospel of John, chapter number 10? Let the lady listen to my answer. Brother, let her listen to the answer. She has a problem. She wants to